A new challenger for the Academy has arrived. In this video, me and Franklin are challenging the provincial champions to a game of doubles. And if we lose, you guys get the YouTube channel. Or ass whips. Okay, to make it more interesting, every time I have a random weapon generator. So I have to use a different racket out of my arsenal of rackets. Blindly choose my racket. You can't look. What is it? T-Fusion 500. Probably easy for defense. Net is so-so. Drive's good. Probably have to play more flat and control with this one.
Round 1, fight!
That's how you play with Franklin. We don't play at all. Oh, are you sure? That was pretty close. You gotta get this for me.
Oh shit, that's a nice shot.
Oh man, dude, this is, I was not expecting real badminton. What the hell?
Oh shit.
A few moments later.
You. Nice. Damn, Franklin. Okay. Interval? I don't know how good they are. You invited them.
They're pretty good. I think they
How
have
do
a
we beat
killer
them?
smash.
Uh-huh.
So if you lift it, it's gonna be
You can't
difficult.
defend?
I can defend.
When it comes for me, I'm just gonna try to like block and diffuse and then give you opportunities to go fast.
Ouch.
Ooh, sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
try.
Nice. What? You can do that?
Oh.
My bad, my bad. You don't need to fly, man. Just. Hey, you. Ooh,
It's
out?
out.
Ooh, that was good. Oh, that's it? That looks out. Look at it going out.
Bit lucky. Oh, nice shot.
Oh, what am I doing?
Oh no. Nice.
Okay.
Oh.
Like I
Good,
said,
sounds good.
so on defense, you're playing mix and covering. But on offense, you need to think of like you're more the front guy. You need to follow in and win the point.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kind of existing here.
Like off the service return, we were attacking a lot. I think Alex plays like this fancy nets at the front.
Oh, yeah, to make sure we shut down the net.
Shut down the net. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Come on. Wow.
Oh no. Nice. Oh no!
Hey. You need interval or no? Okay. Okay, water. And when I get it right, they feel like I'm protecting everything. So they do feel some pressure. Oh, see if they can overcome that.
The mind games.
Come on. Nice.
Oh no!
Good try. Let's try. Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry. Out.
George. Oh, what's that?
You're lucky this is a
that's
slightly
tough.
cheating okay channel. Ah, man, my foot too slow. Okay, third set.
Let's try.
Let's go.
But yeah, I think our strategy is working. Try to keep our formation. Like, I'll be in the back and I'll just try to hammer through.
You have OP coverage, I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try to cut shit off in the front, block more, set you up.
I think we just have to hit down more as well.
I've only been hitting down. We lifting half this smashing, and then we hit it back, and then they hit soft.
And then, yeah, they hit soft. Okay,
so
okay.
we have to hit soft first.
Sounds good. I was pretty lucky. Nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Hey,
shy.
My bad.
Nice.
So size? My racket's getting a
1-8.
bit slippery. Gotta change the racket. I'll grab randomly though. We'll be using our shuttles from Air Chi. Affiliate link down below. Follow. Yeah. You see, I switched to the lighter racket here, the 100 nuclear 78. Because against him, I don't need to use any strength. I just need block, follow up. You. Sorry. Hiya, sorry.
Nice.
Okay, 9-6. Follow.
Oh shit. Nice.
Okay, ooh, thank you.
GG.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now get your asses lined up. One each. Lift the net up, man. What is that? Okay, ready? Ooh. Go. Thanks, guys.